I just found a solution. I just found a new website that is going to pay you a good amount of money. We talk about real money here on this particular platform. We don't just talk randomly. If I do not know about something for sure, I won't bring it here to you and say that it's gonna work. So yeah, trust me, this is working. Guys, coming across particular channel for the very first time, welcome to Financial Also TV. And what we do is talk on how you can actually make real money online, remote jobs, and business ideas that you can actually do online with your phone. In fact, you don't even need the laptop in this particular one I'm about to show you today. Now, I've been talking about different platforms that can actually pay you money to write story for them, and this is a particular new website that I've not even shared with you before. So yeah, come closer. If you've not subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe and like this video, okay? It's going to help the algorithm to push my video to more viewers. Thank you.
So as you can see right here, all you need is just 5,000 words to apply for a contract. Now let's talk about the money, because that is the most important thing why we had actually doing this. Not because I love to write, but because I'm gonna make money from it. So let's head over to it. As I've always said, there's two types of contracts: exclusive contract and non-exclusive contracts. And yes, they are different. For exclusive contracts, the platform is the only one that will have access to your book, and they have the right to promote your book the way they want it, and they are going to give you your own profit share. And you also have right to some signing bonus, some bonuses before you even complete that book. And while you are writing your book, they'll also be promoting your book. So the more you are updating it, the more promotion you're going to get. Now, for non-exclusive contracts, your book can be uploaded on different platforms. I mean, if you get non-exclusive contract on the platform, you can upload your book on other platforms to get as a non-exclusive contract as well. And also on this particular platform, they will pay you for bonuses as well for your non-exclusive contracts when you are done with your book, when you are done with that particular story on this platform.
So for your exclusive contracts, you are going to be getting $100 as your signing bonus. And if you are in level 5, you are going to be getting $150. Level 7 and above, you're going to be getting $200 as your signing bonus for exclusive contracts. Then we also have MAB, which is known as monthly attendance bonus. So for your monthly attendance bonus, it all depends on the word counts. If you are able to meet up with the monthly update threshold for the platform, so you're going to be getting from the range of $100 to $400. Just make sure that you check the tips, and also make sure that you read the rules and regulations so you not miss your map for a particular month. Okay, so for your completion bonus as well, you need to have greater than 200k word. So, and also you're going to be getting from the range of $100 to thousands of US dollar, depending on your word count. So for non-exclusive benefits, all levels, auto grade, you're going to get 150 USD, and your word count must be greater than 150k word. And also as a total distributive income of at least 10 USD. Your book should at least have earned 10 USD before you can get that money as well. Now let me show you how you can register on this particular platform and apply for a contract. Now head over to your Chrome browser or any browser that you're using. The name of this platform is called Novel Cards. You type in Novel Cards Writers Benefits or Writers Benefits Novel Cards. You just click on the very first link and it's going to take you to this particular page. Now, how do you apply for a contract? So for you to apply for contract, you need 5,000 words to apply for a contract. The 5,000 word can be like 5 chapters. If each of your chapter is up to 1,000 word, that will be like 5. And if it is more than 1,000 word, it's probably going to be like 4 chapters to 5 chapters basically. So for you to start writing story on this particular platform, all you need to do is click on create now. And what I used to say, make sure that you make your own research before you commit on any platform you come across online. Even when I'm saying it doesn't matter. Make your own research and do your findings if it's something that you want to invest your time on or not. Though this is working, and this is legit. Okay, this is legit, this is working. And also make sure that you check other my previous video on platforms that you can actually apply your story on, or you can work with. If you do not want to work with novel cards, you can always apply to other platforms. And I also make a video on how you can actually use write your story as well. So basically, check that one out as well. I'm going to drop the link in the description box for you to get access to it though. And finally, if you want more, something more than that, I mean, you want me to review your work, you want a guide that is going to give you a structure on how your story is meant to be. Actually, we are going to be using AI, but then I want you to have this at the back of your mind that you're not just going to be writing exactly like using AI to write from A to Z. I don't know if you're getting it. Like you're going to be using AI, but you're still the brain behind the AI. It's just like AI as your PA, and you are the CEO. You are the brain behind the AI. You are the one you are the one prompting the AI to give you what you need. You need it to give you. Though I've already packed a prompt that you can actually use to write your story. This is something I've tested myself and it's working for me, but you have to be smart about it. So if that is what you want probably something like that. It's not expensive. I'm going to be dropping the link in the description box for you to get access to it as well. I hope this video is helpful. Let me know in the comment section if you have anything to say or you have any question to ask. Bye. I see you in my next video, and do take care of yourself.